This is Phil Plait with NRAO's Astronomy Highlights of 2020.
At more than 750,000 miles across, the Sun is huge by human standards. But some stars are far, far larger. Like, for example, Antares, the brightest star in the heart of the constellation Scorpius. It makes the Sun look positively puny. Stars like Antares start off life with more than a dozen times the mass of the Sun. They burn through their nuclear fuel rapidly, swelling up into red supergiants, enormously bloated and luminous. The light we see from a star comes from a layer called its photosphere, which for Antares is a staggering 680 times the size of the Sun's photosphere, 600 million miles across. But there are layers above the photosphere too. The Sun's chromosphere, for example, is a very thin gas layer that's part of its atmosphere heated by magnetic fields and shock waves. Using ALMA, astronomers measured the lower part of the chromosphere of Antares to be 1,100 times the size of the Sun's chromosphere, almost a billion miles. If you replace the Sun with Antares, its chromosphere would stretch past Jupiter's orbit. Using the Very Large Array, they measured even larger structures. The upper part of the chromosphere blends into a region where the gas is blown out by Antares in a wind, and that enormous layer is over 4,000 times bigger than the Sun's, 3.5 billion miles wide. ALMA and VLA really show us there's a reason we call stars like Antares red supergiants.